Hey everybody, Joe here, Grandview Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery in Columbus, Ohio. Today we're going to talk with Dr. Nanda about hormone pelleting. Check it out. Dr. Nanda, what is hormone pelleting?
So hormone pelleting is something that actually can benefit anybody almost in any age group, about 20 years old and older. So if you suffer from fatigue, you can't sleep well, your sex drive is low, you work out, you eat well, but gosh, I just can't lose that weight, or your skin is a little drier than normal, your hair's falling out, you're a little bit more moody than normal, and you even know you're moody or you're anxious, that could be your hormones. What do? We go to our primary care doctors, because that's what we all do when something's wrong, and we say, hey, fix us, tell us what's wrong. The primary care doctor will do some blood work usually. And then they look at these labs, they look at one reference range. Now the weird thing about a reference range is that could be the same for everybody in that same age group, and that makes no sense because I should have a different reference range than someone that's 70. You should have a different reference range than someone that's 25, 30 years older than you. That's why we don't look at a reference range. We know how old you are, what your lifestyle is, we know exactly what your calcium, your testosterone, your magnesium, your estrogen should be. We then take that number and we make you 98% optimal. That's what we do with our hormone pelleting. It's gonna change your life in a benefit way.
And what is a procedure for hormone pelleting? What exactly do you do?
Okay, so first thing we do is we check your blood. You come in, you have a conversation with us, we do a free consult, we check your blood to see if you're a candidate. Then in about 3 days, we get your blood work back very quickly. We take all major insurances for that, and then we'll sit down with you and we'll analyze your blood work. And then if you're a candidate, we'll do the pelleting. The pelleting is where we actually take testosterone, estrogen pellets, we insert underneath the skin. There's no stitches involved here. We just put a steri strip on top. And then for women, you're good for about 3 to 4 months. Men, you're good for about 5 to 6 months, sometimes 7 months. That's it. There's no prescriptions here. We give you supplements, which are vitamins that will get you to those goals. So that will help with your vitamin D, your calcium, your magnesium. We're gonna fix you up so you're optimal and you don't have to take meds.
And the supplements you prescribe, how are they different from over-the-counter supplements?
It's a great question. So I get very excited about our supplements because this is what we do. We're nutrition, we're wellness. We don't let our supplements sit out for years. Our supplements are not expiring. They're actually made as I order them. I get them in. We watch this lab that we get to make them. We know they're all very, very fresh. They're non-GMO type containers. You're not gonna formulate kidney stones or gallstones with our supplements, so they're very healthy, and actually our prices are wholesale prices, so less than what you can get them for in the store.
Does the procedure hurt?
So actually it doesn't, because we use lidocaine to numb you up, and then we make a small nick and we insert the pellet underneath the skin. It's a very painless process, and then you're done. What hurts more is taking testosterone shots every day for the men. And here's the thing, men wanna bulk up in the gym, they wanna lose fat. This is the natural, healthy, legal way of doing it, and we know everything in that pellet's FDA approved.
And the pelleting, what's the difference between the procedure for men and women?
So the procedure is basically the same, it's just we use a different dosage. For the men, we use a different dose than we'll use for the women. And for the men, actually, it lasts a little bit longer because we're using more testosterone. For women, they have to come back about twice as fast as the men, but we're using less testosterone.
How quickly can you see or feel the effects of being pelleted?
So most people will start feeling better in about a week. So it's actually very, very quick. Your sleep is the first thing that improves. Your sex drive will go up. Your mood and your memory will start getting better. Guys notice they start having more energy and they bulk up more muscle mass in the gym.
And how can they set up a pelleting with you?
So you can go to our website, greatskinohio.com, and request a consultation, or you can call us at 614-421-SKIN.